Martinez, and I'm from Pennsylvania State University. I'm an international student at the school, and this is my first time at Athens.
We're here visiting Greece right now on our spring break trip. So this is a small study abroad trip that we have that is a week long in Athens, Greece this year, and we're traveling with the Hospitality Management School within Penn State.
I haven't really tried any Greece food before, and this is my first time trying the food here. It was so good. I'm enjoying all of that.
We came to this cooking lab today, and we were just able to experience watching the chef cook different meals for us.
Here we've had such good food, and we've got a taste of Greek culture and all the different foods that we have not really experienced before. We've had such an amazing time as a hospitality management students, and we've learned so much information that we're going to keep with us for a very long time, and we are so grateful that we had this experience.
It's been cool at the Metropolitan College of Athens, getting to see their hospitality program. They provide awesome experiences as well for their students, so it's awesome to see that.